guys, it's Jason with Ingrain Woodworks. I got an upgrade. I'm about to show you guys as I unbox it. If you watched my last video, you'll know that I have failed when it comes to spraying systems. And I have put this off and I have put this off until I just couldn't stand it anymore. So there it is. That is an upgrade I've been wanting to make for quite some time. This is the Fuji spray system. This is the Mini-Mite. And I'll have more videos to come as I learn more about this. But I did a fair amount of research on this, watched a lot of videos. And the reason I decided to go with the Mini-Mite 4 is I think it'll do exactly what I need. I don't spray a lot of thick product, and they have a 5, which is the phase number. There's 5 phases. That's really more if you're spraying like real thick material. They also have a Q series, which is quiet. Well, I don't mind wearing ear protection, and it saved me a lot of money by going with this model. I've never used one before, but I am really looking forward to it. So it came with this 25-foot hose, which from the videos, if you'll watch, these hoses they're really thick. I got an ambulance coming, let me pause. These hoses, they come and they're really thick, and from what I watched online, they don't really maneuver very well. So I did order what's called a whip hose, and it's just a short 3 or 4 foot hose that goes on the end of this one and then to the gun. And this is what gives you that flexibility when you're spraying product inside of a piece. Now, I hit a crossroads with my spray system. I was using this 3M AccuSpray system, which it works pretty good if you're doing real short strokes. The clean out is really nice because you're just cleaning this tip and your cup. The reason I didn't continue down this road is to continue running this, I would need a huge air compressor upgrade. And I don't use a lot of pneumatic tools, so I didn't feel like buying a massive compressor just for spraying. So I bought this system. It essentially is like a turbine inside of this machine, and that's what creates the pressure. This Mini-Mite, I believe, puts out 6 psi, which for what I spray, pre-cat lacquers, stuff like that, is plenty of psi. So here is the gun. The gun itself is gravity feed, which you can choose what you want. I prefer gravity feed. I've used some of the bottom feed guns before, and quite frankly, I'm just not a fan. Now, in addition to that, this also has a hose that puts pressure into your cup, which kind of aids that gravity. The gun itself comes with a 1.3 millimeter tip, which is probably good for most things, but I did go ahead and purchase the 1.0 tip because I think I'm gonna want to atomize a little more and get a little smoother finish. Fuji Spray also sends this quick reference guide, which it kind of breaks down what you're spraying, what kind of finish you like, and then over here to the left side, it's going to tell you which tip to use. So for me, if I'm spraying clear lacquer, it recommends for a fine to medium, a 1.0 millimeter, and to a medium finish or medium output, it is a 1.3. Now, down further, pigmented lacquer, which is if I'm spraying a color of some sort, which I do on cabinets, it recommends that I go to a 1.5 or even a 1.8, which I do not have, so I will be purchasing those. I may wait until the project calls for it. Well, that's me unboxing my new spray system. It looks like it's pretty much ready to go, and I will post some videos of me using it. A little nervous when I get new stuff like this because I want to make sure I know what I'm doing, but I do have some stuff that I need to put a clear coat on. So I'll be videoing that, and if you guys would, please like and subscribe.